Hi there, and welcome to another episode, a unique episode of This Meraki Life. So I was inspired, long story, to create a macrame cat hammock for our family. I will explain more about that in a different episode that we will do soon, hopefully soon. So I was inspired to make this macrame cat hammock, and when I was done, I loved it so much. I just thought, I feel like others would enjoy having something like this as well. So in homeschooling, we talk to our kids and we encourage them to explore their talents, their passions, their abilities, and we kind of want them to start thinking about, how how will you use these skills in the future, or can you use these skills in your future? And I was thinking about sharing my own maybe passions with other people. So I thought it would be fun to share the story of my first creation that I am hoping maybe someone might want to buy. Um, so I have no idea if others will even be interested in anything like this, but I have really loved creating it, and I just love to create. So everything about this, from the stick itself, was first I had to cut the bark off of it with like a knife, and then I had to sand it down to the even down to the button that is on the pillow is actually handmade. So I just really love to touch every part of it and to just have a little bit of myself, Meraki, in every little piece of it. So that's kind of what this little video is going to be about. I hope that you can just take a minute or two and sit and enjoy the video of the story of this creation. And that maybe at the end, if you're interested in purchasing it, that would be amazing. You can message me and let me know. Or if there's something else macrame that maybe you would love to have and you just either don't want to do it yourself or don't have the time to do it yourself and you'd love to have this piece, let me know, because I would also really have a lot of fun making that. Or even quilting as well. I love to quilt and create things, and I think I'm ready to accept challenges. So let me know. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone, and my mom over here is quilting, or macrame, I'm sorry. So it is complicated. And also, here is a new thing that we don't know what it is, but it also can be used as a sharp and navy hook. And it goes, if you need a help get up, just go from tiny places and just go. And if you need to fight with it, then you should bring this, because it's only good because this hook can save you from anything.